Changing the currency in Splitwise is easy and helps ensure your expenses are tracked accurately when sharing costs with friends or family in different currencies. Here's how to change the currency in Splitwise. Open the Splitwise app or website. Log into your Splitwise account via the mobile app or visit the Splitwise website. Go to Settings. On the app, tap on the More icon located at the bottom right corner. On the website, click on your profile in the top right corner. Access Currency Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Currency option under the General Settings section. Click on Currency to see a list of available options. Select your desired currency. Choose the currency you want to use for your transactions. Splitwise supports many global currencies, so select the one that matches your current location or the one you want for shared expenses. Save changes. After selecting your preferred currency, save your changes. All future expenses and balances in your account will now reflect the updated currency. Update existing expenses. If you need to update the currency for existing shared expenses, you will need to manually adjust them or add a new expense in the desired currency.